Hey guys, welcome to Sansee Technologies once again. In this video I will show you how to turn on post notifications for a specific account. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you can get updates of the little videos I have posted on the Sansee Technologies. So let's start without any wasting of time. First of all, you have to go to that profile. You have to turn on their notification. Just for example, I have to go to Google. Just go to the profile, then click on the bell icon. As you can see at the top of the profile, here you can see different options. You can turn on the post notifications, you can turn on the stories notification, you can turn on the videos and reels notifications as well. So according to your choice, you can turn on the notifications. I have to turn on the post notifications, so also stories notifications. So just tap on that, and here you can see the tick sign on the bell icon. This means that you have successfully turned on the notifications. So that's it for the video. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.